So in this video we're gonna learn just how to draw these gizmo lines on your capsule or character or whatever you have. Let's just add some visual representation. So first we're gonna add a new 3D object. Let's put it in a plane and say this is ground. Then we're gonna add a player. So we're gonna say a capsule like that, put in the capsule like this. And this will be your player, and then you probably will have a script on him that could be your player controller script. So you're gonna add a player controller script, and inside that you have all your movements and stuff, and you can, in the bottom part, you can write private private void on draw gizmo, and if you first start, say gizmos dot color is equal to color dot and what color you want. I'm going to take red, and then you say gizmo draw line, but not draw line, draw wire, and then you say from the transform dot position, which is the capsule collider, and then you want how big you want it. You can either write like 30 like this, or you can have a variable in the beginning where you say, okay, you have float, and we're gonna aggro distance equal to 10 like this. So you can also put in like a variable like that and say aggro distance, and just make it public so we can see it like that. And then we go into our Unity project, and then we see that we have this um, gizmo around it, and you can take off the gizmo, and when we click on the capsule collider we can actually change the size of it, and you can use this for see when you're gonna aggro or how far there is to stuff. It's up to you. Just a simple and easy way to draw gizmo on your character.